You know what it is. You know what it is. You might as well get it right. Say it twice. So, guys, today I have for you a cute little something, you know. Queen here. The queen is arrived. So, yes, just, I'm not going to talk too much. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And let's just jump right into this video because we don't have time to waste. Okay, y'all, it's Nina on the mic. Anyway, so we're gonna put, you might go with a little concealer, L.A Girl Dark Cocoa, because she's dark cocoa, got it. And I'm going with the BH Cosmetics eye palette. I'm going with a little purple shade and a crease, and we're swiping, and we're swiping, and we're blending, and we're blending now. So we're going with the little blue shade right next to it, okay? Go a little bit under it, so you can see a little gradients, okay? I think, is that how we're pronounced? Anyway, whatever, we don't care. Anyway, so then go with the little teal shade, because apparently this palette doesn't have any names, but whatever, it's okay. She likes it, we like it, it's a look. Now we're going to Sippin' Pretty, because that's what we do every day, by Kylie Cosmetics, okay? And we're going to blend. Oh, gang signs got it. Now we're going to do a little NYX Suede lipstick, okay? She's inventive, y'all. She's inventive. What she want to do? Ooh, she done made it as an eyeliner. Come on now, sis. That's how we do it. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. Ooh, popping. Ooh, wing. Wing it out. Fly away. Got it. Ooh, cute, y'all. Y'all better her line before she blow up, but y'all get mad. Anyway, Fenty Beauty. Only foundation there is, isn't it? We bad girl. Got it. Okay. You might say, where's my drink? Okay. Got it. Blending. Blend sis. Okay, back with the concealer, because only concealer she owns, apparently. Dark Cocoa. They make it go loco. Ooh, bars. Anyway. We're going to keep blending. Just keep blending. What's we want to do, Imani? Come on, do me something else. Come on, give me something work right here, girl. Okay, let's do a little contour action. Swip, real quick. Now we do a little blush. Oh, she's smiling. Oh, go ahead, girl. Do your thing. Now we're going with Leo. Everybody say Leo. By Kylie Cosmetics. Going to do the other shade by Kylie too, but I don't know her name. She's a mystery. Anonymous. Don't know you. And then you might go a little inventive. So look at her, y'all. If she don't become an artist, Picasso who? Okay? Look at the little crown. Dot. Connect the dots. Got it. Anyway, so put a little crown. And she said, you know what? I'm gonna get something else. Ooh. She done put a triangle over the eye. Lord, take her to church. Somebody. Okay? Now she better, girl, if she ain't it in. She is shit. If she don't, I know that's right. Girl, yes. And she cleaned it up with the... Yes, girl. Come on. That wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Under the eye. She got it. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. The inner corner highlights. It's popping. Yes. Okay, y'all wasn't ready for that nose highlight. Y'all wasn't. I wasn't either. Take a seat. All right, got it. Girl, give it to him. Okay. Yes, the mascara. Okay.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really liked it. I mean, if you learned something, great. If you didn't,
sorry about that, but subscribe.
Now, without further ado, let's be right about the video. And oh, by the way, this will be my last Halloween look for my channel that I'm doing. Yeah, but stay tuned for everything else. So I think this personally is my favorite Halloween look, but it's my last one until next year. But without further ado, let's be right about the video and stay flawless.
Don't tell me I'm a heartbreaker. Dream. I still believe